Okay, it's DCW attempting a high wind swim. The winds are 50 kilometres per hour. No digging the channel out, as you can see, but the ocean has broken through into the lake and the waves are sweeping across the sandbank into the lake. I'm going to attempt a high wind swim in the lake now. So DCW reporting again, the Australian salmon have been stuck in the lake now for the last 5 minutes. I'm getting blown away at the moment. We'll be swimming soon. Right, this is DCW attempting a channel swim in high velocity winds, and I'm going to swim across here. First swimmer in 2025 to cross the Durras North Channel. Here I go. And here is the water surging across the sandbank. Salmon have been trying to make their way across to the ocean there. There's the lake there, back there, there's Jenny walking bravely across the surging surf. Pelican in the distance.